Dumpster rental service in Arcadia, Florida. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Arcadia, Florida? Whether you're tackling a home renovation, managing a construction project, or handling a large commercial cleanup, Big Dawg Dumpsters has the right solution for you. We provide dumpsters in multiple sizes to accommodate any job. Our 15-yard dumpsters are perfect for small cleanups, minor remodels, and household junk removal. If you're working on a roofing job, landscaping project, or mid-sized renovation, our 20-yard dumpsters offer ample space. For major cleanouts, demolition debris, or large-scale construction, our 30-yard dumpsters provide the capacity you need. We make the rental process simple and affordable. Our flexible rental periods and transparent pricing ensure you get the right dumpster without unexpected costs. We take pride in offering fast and efficient service with same-day and next-day deliveries available throughout Arcadia. Once your project is complete, we guarantee prompt pickup so you're never left with unwanted debris. Renting a dumpster has never been easier. Call Big Dawg Dumpsters at 743-244-3294 to choose the right size and schedule your delivery. Get the job done efficiently and keep Arcadia clean with a hassle-free dumpster rental from Big Dawg Dumpsters.